Well, out here again. I'm here at the pull apart Winston. I got my flappy hat on. It started pouring down rain. I'm here for that right there. I came here on Friday. Today is Thursday. Came here Friday for the July 4th sale, and I picked up those T-tops off of there. T-tops were about $55 a piece plus a 30% discount. I think they had 30% discount here and 40 at the other place. So 110, take off that, let's say about 70 bucks or so. Or maybe after taxes, 80 or so. I don't know. Remember exactly, but I know I spent like $130 total. Also got some of those coil packs off the Matrix. But today I sold that. I sold those two T-tops, $230. It was a local guy, so no shipping. In fact, I only had it posted on Facebook for about 4 or 5 hours, and this guy's like, yeah, for sure, I'll meet you tomorrow. So I'm back to look at this. Now, you kind of see here, the taillights are gone, which is a bummer because I was hoping they're going to be here, but the headlights are here. They're a bit foggy, they're hazed over, but I'm very hopeful that I can still make some money off of those. All right, rain is easing up. I'm looking at these headlights. I guess they came with a black paint on the lenses or on the sides of the housings. It's chipping off, but again, they're hazy, but looking like hopefully none of the mounts are broken. I don't know how to take these off. We're just gonna figure it out. I got a mount down there, up here. I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out. The grill is gone. I was hoping I could grab that, but it's gone. Again, no more T-tops. I don't know. I'm not sure I'll be able to get in here, like what's gonna be worth picking up, but we're gonna pick over a little bit. All right, you see me struggling a bit. So there's a Phillips head here, a Phillips head there, and there, back in there, you can kind of see that goes behind this little piece here, and there is a 10mm socket. So I was using my little wrench because that overflow, actually that might be washer fluid, excuse me, it was kind of in the way. I just dropped my 10mm wrench. But I think moving that out of the way, I can get my my socket down there. So anyway, I'm close to having these off. I'm pretty excited. And then something else I noticed, I looked at the front and I was like, oh, no grill. Oh, there's the grill. Someone took it off and just left it there. So I think that's going to go home with me today. One sold on eBay about a month ago for $200. So I'll pick it up. All right, I'm kind of at a loss, guys. It's such a small car. There's not much to it to begin with. It was not a super expensive car, so there's not much on the interior. I mean, there's just not much here, guys. Looks like the vents are broken. So it's like I can gather those up. I think the body is not bad. That rear has that dent there. Like the fenders aren't bad, but I'm having a hard time finding where all the mounting points are. And on this one, I messed with it some more. I took that one out, get everything's 10mm or a Phillips head. But like I wouldn't mind having this. It's just got a ding there. Either way, I'm just kind of at that point where I don't know what else I can really take. Maybe glass. The rear window would be awesome to have, but I don't have the tools to take it out. And I really don't want to go buy stuff to take it out. Like, you know, it's just kind of where you get to sometimes where, because I would have to pull out all that stuff to get to it, and I don't really want to. Let me flip. I'm flipping gross, guys. It rained, then it got super humid again. Welcome to North Carolina. I love it here, but gosh dang, it is humid. So maybe it's something to come back for the rear window or the driver and passenger door windows. Maybe that's something I can look into in the future. I've not looked up how much they charge for these things. I don't know what they're worth. Or Thunder. Maybe that's my cue, you know? But I don't know, are you guys seeing something that I'm not? Is there something you guys think I should grab? This is only about 6-7 minutes from my house. Or excuse my work. I spend, you know, quite a bit of time there, but it's not too far from my work. I can easily come back. Let me know in the comments. Y'all take care. All right, real quick. 2 headlights. I'm gonna have to work on those a little bit. I want to clean them up a little bit. A polishing kit from Harbor Freight. I got one at home. So, you know, I'll spend about half an hour total on that, clean it up. Also, I do think, I was looking, you see the little clips? It has clips all around it. And I really wonder, oh, sorry, you can see one there and one there. Sorry. I think I can take them apart. Might make it easier to clean. So anyway, 2 headlights, and I picked up that grill. And I like to show the price so you guys know what I'm really paying. Headlight assemblies, $35, so I spent $75.50 on those. Grill, she did half price, excuse me, sorry, $13.25. And then they, you know, put all their environmental, $106.42. I was really wanting to get under 100, but did not happen. But anyway, so $106 for these 3 pieces. I am very hopeful on these. I think this is going to pay for all of it. I think the profit will take care of all of this. Yeah, so I will update as I can, but thanks for joining. Thanks for sticking around and watching my fat butt take car parts off of junky cars. Y'all take care.